Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the BAOFENG UV10R. Okay, so I ordered this about a month ago and we finally got it today, so we're going to unbox it. Also got the Nagoya antenna we're going to be putting on it as well. As you can see, they wrapped it all up nice and tight, just the box and plastic. As you can see, it's just a regular black box. Unlike the UBS9 that we bought, which was in a brown box, this one is a little bit more fancier box with some writing on the front of the box. Okay, now that it's out of the packaging, we can take a look at the box. Let's open it up. Okay. Manual. There you go. Tray. Charger. So there goes the S9 antenna, belt clip, and the charger. Everything is similar to the UBS9. It looks like the battery and the charger. These things are always a very bad design. I don't know why the design is like this, but you got to get it in a little groove. But yeah, it fits. Okay. Maybe the batteries are interchangeable. That would be nice. It looks like it. Looks like they are probably about the same size. Let's check it out. All right, so we took it apart. We got everything laid out here. UV10R. I notice on other models it tells you that it puts out 8 watts or 10 watts or whatever, but this one does not. I was going to order the red one, but I opted out at the last moment and picked up the black one here. It does look like everything is interchangeable with these two radios. They look almost identical except for the speaker grill and the button layout. They are about the same size. Belt clip, the battery, everything is the same. The antenna, which is nice. We got the USB programmer. We're going to program it with the USB later, and then maybe that'll be another video. But I'm going to go ahead and put on the antenna that I got, and we'll check it out. Now, I've noticed in other videos they were talking about fake models of the Nagoya antenna. Even though this is a dual band radio, I had a really good deal with the UBS9, which is a tri-band radio, to go ahead and pick up just 2 of the tri-band antennas. It did come with the O-ring, and I believe that is if there's a gap. So we'll put it on and we'll find out and see what it looks like. Okay, one of the issues that I'm having already is the antenna not screwing in all the way here. The issue is same thing I had with UBS9, is that with this model antenna I actually have to sand it down a little bit on the edges here in order to get it to fit. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. And all right, so I went ahead and sanded down the where's the camera? Sanded down the edges there a little bit, and I had to take off quite a bit for it to fit. And it seems like now it fits in there, which is good. All right, so we got the antenna on. It's a pretty nice antenna. It's 2 radios, same antenna. All right, it's
channel mode.
Everything is set up exactly like the UBS9, so we're going to go ahead and get the USB programming hooked up to this and program it. And you guys take care. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe below.